official from Moldova with love. David Obeng Nyarko back to Bataan as Kotoko Brands manager.
Brands and partnerships.
Brands and partnership, yes. You know, partner brands in the meeting. I said a partnership in part of.
It just you will be seeing Kotoko.
Marketing and sponsorship.
It just said they will not be doing
with other clubs.
Mentia say Asante Kotoko will not be doing more marketing this time around. What just here?
I'm going to sponsors.
I said your mobile be sponsor. Be no more than dampo. So the partnership manager will be servicing or make sure the relationship is okay
between Kotoko and partners.
So that's what I see. I say and to do equal in corporate structure.
Where they send that on more in human as you do
oh, but so wait the role of a partnership manager. And idea say he phone you crowd also.
Maybe some
there will not have busan say is defined. And idea say you to be a woman dada. What is the role of a partnership manager? Because Kaombeka marketing and he's in charge of commercial activities. But on the marketing there and you advertise, you go out, sell yourself.
So okay sponsorship.
I'm so yes I do.
Semantics.
Well, now you manakwaba.
Yes, semantics.
Actually, be who's in semantics.
Ya titi say na say infographics APP nyano ni sa wo.
And branding. And your branding.
I'm say fina djuma say wo boy djuma kama nti manakwaba.
Sure. A partnership manager is responsible for developing, managing and growing strategic relationships between an organization and external partners, such as businesses, sponsors, government agencies, NGO, media organizations, and community groups. There is a certain structure. So
and then the man I can see as the first no.
And this the relationship.
The international relationship Kotoko need other teams be a sandal and another thing.
All of them. All of them.
That's a big job.
All of them.
That's a huge job.
All of them.
Million age.
Yeah. All of them. All of them.
Any brother, I'm say Kotoko to normal. Be put on back.
So the rule is to identify partnership opportunities. Okay. Develop partnership strategies. Build and maintain relationships. Negotiate agreements.
Sponsorship
manage partnership activities. Monitor performance. Generate revenue. Represent the organization. And all of that.
We are not
one thing that's not included. Marketing. As a Kotoko, I was sponsorship be baby dada.
Na sponsors they say
they were appointed commercial manager.
Okay.
They were
So
commercial manager.
until the commercial manager, so he is not in charge of marketing.
But
on say you do this year why? Okay. You the marketing team. And the emphasis be event manager. Okay. So we event manager. You must say marketers are corporate sponsorship. Okay.
The relationship.
Yes, it's your duty to make sure say
you service them.
Yes, sir. A young na marketers na corporate sponsorship na but one day will strengthen no.
Okay, say that is done by traffic and client service.
Client service. So aside the no, on say from the meeting say how the board wants to run Kotoko now no be quite different from Abia previously based on their experience. So they ba kwa guide omo and say team no ma ben ho pen. So tell me say and omo hu nyoma Abia mre bia na atwam so to osini.
Yeah.
Amu fu say ne omo de kose and omo de fa ha e betimi aboa omo. And say from the position that David hold so to he will be even be dealing with the supporters. So what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Fabu census no will be at his office.
Exactly.
Yes.
Obekwa ko dey free.
No one say Fabu census in the club na dia.
Say na the club no dey ma support.
There be. So say say dey na maka chiro. Say
o man ba mo.
because of the two ye no supporters na
About for man more.
Not that aside.
a section of a supporters group, even though recognized by Menshia. So tell me, say, but me crying from me checks in the two. Second, that's Sujina who.
Yes, oh yeah.
Second, that's Sujina. When global assembly comments, Menshia nyam to me.
Okay.
Because meetings, meetings, of course, on the two. As if you could really say supporters now the didn't come chief of staff so anymore.
Oh, okay.
Until the circle still remain. But on say the management will need somebody to deal with the supporters.
So the partnership manager will do that.
The partnership manager will do that.
Okay.
And a branch no. On say you call your name the we are saying as a sound. We are saying as a she say branch manager to omuro na etre. They hold the image of the club.
Exactly.
They hold the image of the club. And TM fan say empo. Club now appointee a spokesperson or a communication director. Your work no ultimate sign branch manager because ultimate club one thing can be happy.
Obase message in the omu bebre. Ye at the supporters level. Ye nkoma ye die. But what and ye what die. Oh, for instance, say ye ku ye nkoma ye die as ku die. Say bia ye kwa ha. Ye be shia. Ye plan a ye fat towards and that is at that level. No. But the ye from the club no die and the that will not be generated by them.
Generated by
the supporters. I know the annual but I'm just saying
me make club no.
Oh, so, club no guitar.
I'm not talking about supporters. Supporters they have their discussion that we can have. But the club is there.
Okay.
Anything concerning the club do so be free club no about one team by kasa. Or did the image Kotoko na kasa.
Exactly.
So what the mention say. It's anything or beka either a advantage to Kotoko or a disadvantage to Kotoko. Meaning that they make an
yeah, that's right. You are right.
It's entimi must say obi be sore preoccupy from the Kotoko management na Mr. to wabaso beka do PBA. All those things should be managed under the branch manager. So what the mention say. Said the be ya ukoka enkofa problem bi emre club no.
All right.
Na yeti Mr. to yeti hey. Yes, yeah,
well, Kotoko be issue statement. I say branch manager no scrutinize answer.
And he say he's in charge of. He's in charge of team Ninkita Mudie.
Yeah.
He is going to form. Oh no, and that spokesperson will work under
him. Easy. Bibi kiti bi kon e pass Kim.
Baby Ashiki.
Ebemna easier. Because communication na I say kakra duplications kakra near that but say spokesperson dem say
brand now word kasi
o
a lot of things under brand
is good.
He's more of a general manager, but if you read the details about the partnership manager now contract in our own designing now Kotoko how much they will charge from his office. If you want to sponsor Kotoko on a new discussion, how much they will charge you generated revenue. No, read broad.
No, pay the time I read the chair.
Details in line with that. And the partnership manager, Jibo, it is there. Who did the brother? Unless maybe I'll Kotoko na enfama.
The partnership, they won't say what they know no better.
And for example, Mushadi will say structuring formal agreement, contracts, and commercial terms beneficial to all parties. Monitoring partner performance, resolving issues, and keeping channel activities.
So what it means is that the commercial manager or whoever will bring the partner.
Yes. No, we're not.
Say why the marketing, the sales team, they bring people on board.
Yeah.
But they are not in charge of the agreement the company has with them.
So this portfolio one there big office or
officers in space, Anna.
Yes, space office that you operate from.
Obviously.
Say why
big in the size.
Yeah, properly furnished rate card. nti yɛma sɛ every single program ɛkɔ mframa mu yɛwɔ yɛ charger ɛno mostly na yɛne being decided at management level so ɔtɛ me kyerɛ sɛ then ɔmo de abrɛ marketers sɛ management ni bɛ weigh the strength of adwuma no okay at this point yɛhu sɛ adwuma no ahoɔden ha ne gyina nti sɛ obi pɛ so wɔ ba na ɔde ne ho bɛbɔ ɛne yɛtɔn na adwa tɔn deɛ ma no a program wey sports sika sei yes ebia marketers will raise some issues so what me chana say it is the club will have its target this is what we want as a club based on maybe a club no it is the commercial manager who
and that is determined by who
and no
David now be part of that management that
will got tio club no it has an executive chairman our executive powers so our executive powers.
So say you will report to the executive chairman.
So what you
report to the
executive. Those targets. So what you too. Aside management taking decision. Mr. Ajamabe from so
yes, everything goes.
So what you mention. It he is too.
And you know the point is that he will be there. But on the boss.
It's a commercial manager who work on work annual money in area. Based on the Jumana, you know. And then David Obeng. The partnership manager and I said they say after concluding all these things.
You create that relationship.
Yes.
So no, I think that
you make the partnership work.
See, they are appointing the partnership manager because they believe say or the India to help them.
The relationship to go.
Yes, well, for example,
retention.
If we share ability to track metrics, analyze profitability, and hit revenue.
It's a big portfolio.
It's a huge area.
I would say these people, Abrofria, they think differently. Into our portfolios, they are new in the system. They realize that to retain our clients and our customers, we need to retain them. How do we retain them? I also see a service partnership. Obi an any new room. Obi all cry now on agreement be ne billboards unko. What we were gonna have out. We cry we no promises on by so this is the office of the partnership manager. So when you can external publics. Omo mo abontin say the best daily. Any all of that. He's a big man. Welcome. Yes, saying
as media.
And I was all doing which we don't I know they're saying about inside Kotoko never check your mind.
Obviously,
I didn't have inside
Kotoko office. Kamara.
I'm the police will have a
this one man about you. Kamara